Sea cucumbers belong to the echinoderm group of animals. The shape is a little cute, but this animal has many benefits. In the marine ecosystem, sea cucumbers have an important role. This is because they eat organic deposits or sediments on the seabed. Later, this sediment is released again in a more loose condition. It could be said that they have a similar function to earthworms. Apart from that, sea cucumbers are also a high-value commodity. They are known to have many benefits and nutritional content. Not just used as food. Sea cucumbers are also often used in medicine.